Hey Divi fans, this is another video on Divi 5. This is going to be about favicons, how to set up a favicon in WordPress. We're using the Divi 5 theme alpha, but I want to show you how to set up your favicon. Now the favicon you'll see over here is a little graphic that's going to be used in search engines, web browsers, things like that. But you have to install it. So how you do that, what you want to do is you want to make a graphic image that is square. Square is the most important item. And the recommended size is 512 pixels or larger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in here to the dashboard for WordPress, and we're using the Divi theme just to show you. Okay, the control panel is a little different than Divi 4. What we're going to do is we're going to come down here to settings right here. Going to go to general, click on general, and then what you want to do is you want to have a graphic image. Now I have gone ahead and uploaded an image to the media folder. That's what you want to do. So and the recommended size is again 512 pixels or larger. And so I'm going to come down here to settings, general. I'm going to come down, site title, tagline, site icon right there. Okay, I'm going to click on it. You'll notice it says the site icon is what you see in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and within the WordPress mobile apps. It should be square and at least 512 pixels. If it's not square, WordPress will resize it and the image will be distorted. So make them square. Click on that. I'm going to click on this image here. Okay, we've got 512 pixels by 512 pixels. I'm going to select that image, set as site icon. Okay, now here you're going to see a preview of how it looks. Okay, this is enlarged. Really what you see is going to be smaller, but so now you've got what it looks like. You want to come down here to the bottom left of the page, click on save changes. It's very important. If you don't save your changes, it's not going to show up. Okay, it's going to say settings saved. If you look up here at the graphic, you'll see it right there. You hover over, it's going to say what it is, because this is the page, general settings page. Okay, you go down here, visit site. Okay, and you're going to see it right there. And really, that is all there is to setting up a favicon, but it's a great thing to do. It's very quick, it's very easy, and I hope this has helped you, and we will see you in the next video. And please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.